So ngayon, ito yung favorite ko. Cherry bean. Ito yung this red berry. I'm not sure, pero I think ganun siya. Ito, banana. I love this also. This one has been so healthy ever since na binili ko siya. As in, kasi they're from Benguet.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hi guys! Good morning and welcome to another vlog with Plantita. Hey Pray. So our plantisode or plant episode for today is all about beginner succulents. So basically, these are low-key and common lang na succulents that anyone can take care. So, pagka ganito na bago pa lang yung plants sa inyo, di ba sila pwedeng paulanan or diligan or basain ka agad. In fact, pagkadating, kailangan nilang i-air dry at first muna. And depende, kasi like this ruby, string siya, and manipis yung stem. Kahit isang araw lang air dry pwede. But for eto nga black rose, okay na po kami. So dapat huwag silang biglain sa biglang tubig or dilig or biglang init at ang puro still. So ngayon, ito yung favorite ko, cherry bean. This red berry, I'm not sure, pero I think ganun siya. Ito, banana. I love this also. This one has been so healthy ever since na binili ko siya. As in, kasi they're from Benguet and shipping took 5 days. So, I'm not sure dati kung makakasurvive sila. Sa mga echeveria sa likod, topsy-turvy, blue rose, I think, pero holding on to dear life, 3 weeks old pa lang sila. Ito so far, so taba. Si Ruby. Tatlo yan. Here. Surviving. And this. Diba? Pero at least kanina siya dito. And, my God. Tama ba na mother of millions? I think mother of millions siya. Pero nag-shrink lang. And look at those. I love it. Yung mga bagong sibol siya sa likod. I don't see that. I don't know pa kung anong idea ka. So, yung mga ganito ko, they're very healthy. Galing natin sa local garden shop na. This one's also very healthy except sa red pagoda. Hindi ko sure kung red pagoda siya or pagoda or I don't know. Pero, I'm gonna water them later kasi they're being watered once a week only. Then, if you come back, I'm sure happy beans ata. When it comes to plants, guys, I am really a newbie, pero my mother guides me. And she loves plants as well. So, we're trying our best na ibuhay sila and give them the life that they deserve. Wow! Para sa mga suckies. Kasi they're very low maintenance and Ako pa naman, I'm busy. Paminsan lang ako nagkaka-time sa ganito. But now that I'm more aged, I come to appreciate gardening and importance niya rin para sa atin lahat. Especially, they're very good stress relievers. And ako nga nagulat ako sa self ko nung nakita ko yung bagong sprout. Sabi ko, oh my God, I'm so happy. Parang hindi naman ako ganito dati. Pero I love kasi dogs. And now I love also plants. But succulent level lang muna. Kasi nga, I'm afraid to take the risk pa sa mga indoor plants talaga. Although some say that they are low maintenance. But ayokong i-risk, baka mamatay lang sila and sayang and kawawa naman sila. Kaya I focus my energy on my plants na lang. So this is our plant corner for now. Kasi we're looking for a place pa sa kanila. Since they're 3 weeks old pa lang, they should not be under direct sunlight. So shaded area lang muna sila. But I'm planning to put them in an area here also na may UV tent or something screening. But for now, eto, mga beauties. So far, yan pa lang sila. But then, upcoming 22 more pa. And I'm planning to add pa. So, dinner plate is so pretty. Lalaki pa yan. So, these are my beginner plants. So, there they are. Looking for another place pa na-extend them doon sa kwarto ko sa taas. So, these are my plants, my babies. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified sa mga vlogs. Thank you!